Hello everyone! It's my 22nd day and maghimot ta og egg omelette with hot dog on it. So atong kanakot is sibuyas, ahos, kamatis, and then scrambled egg. And this is where I messed up. The hot dogs should be fried first with the spices, but anyway, I tried to cover it with the lid to cook it. And afterwards, nagutang buo cheese. And then when I tried to flip it, it messed up. So I messed it up completely. And then for my drink, I have organic coffee and put some cacao powder on it, stevia sweetener, and that's it. So here it is. Put some Kewpie mayo, hot sauce, and it tastes good. Happy eating!